Let's start with a number that should grab your attention. 74% of companies are struggling to unlock scalable value from their AI investments. That's not just a minor issue. It's a fundamental challenge that cuts to the core of what we do as change management professionals. We're living through what I like to call the AI paradox. On one hand, AI holds extraordinary promise to transform nearly every aspect of business. The global AI market has skyrocketed to $391 billion and is expected to hit $181 trillion by 2030. Organizations are reporting returns of 3.7 times their AI investment, and top performers are seeing over $10 in ROI for every dollar spent. These aren't just impressive figures. They represent real, transformative impact. But here's where it gets compelling for us as change practitioners. While 83% of organizations identify AI as a top priority, and adoption rates have surged from 55% to 75% in just a year, there's a glaring disconnect between intention and execution. Over 90% of companies report challenges in integrating AI into their existing systems. This isn't primarily a technical problem, it's a people problem. Let me share what's happening inside organizations right now. Employees are grappling with what I call AI anxiety. About 30% of workers fear their jobs will be replaced by AI by 2025, and 14% say they've already been displaced. Meanwhile, 23.5% of companies have replaced workers with tools like ChatGPT. These aren't hypothetical fears. They're lived experiences of disruption. What's fascinating is that the organizations thriving with AI aren't necessarily those with the most advanced technology. They're the ones excelling at change management. They recognize that AI implementation isn't just about deploying new tools. It's about transforming workflows, processes, and culture. I've studied the patterns of successful AI adoption, and clear themes are emerging. The organizations that succeed use structured approaches like the ADKAR model, building awareness of why AI matters, creating desire for change, developing knowledge on how to use these tools, fostering ability through practice, and ensuring reinforcement to sustain the transformation. They also tackle the human element directly. Successful organizations run workshops to explain AI's benefits, engage leadership to articulate a vision, roll out robust training programs, and, critically, reward employees for embracing AI. They understand that change management isn't an optional add-on to AI adoption. It's a foundational pillar of success. The data tells a powerful story. Organizations that integrate AI into their overall transformation strategy consistently outperform competitors. But this only happens when they treat AI adoption as a holistic organizational change, not merely a tech upgrade. What's working in practice? Companies are starting small, aligning AI initiatives with clear business goals, addressing resistance head-on, and building cross-functional teams to drive transformation. They're even leveraging AI itself to enhance change management, using natural language processing for better communication, analytics to monitor sentiment and adoption, and AI-powered tools to support the process. Still, challenges persist. Beyond technical hurdles, trust remains a major issue. People are skeptical about whether AI companies will protect their data, and concerns about fairness and bias are widespread. There's also a stark divide in optimism. While 83% of people in China view AI positively, only 39% in the US feel the same. This is where we, as change professionals, step in. We know how to build trust through transparency. We know how to address resistance by engaging employees. And we know how to turn skeptics into champions through education and involvement. Here's the bottom. AI success isn't determined by the sophistication of the technology. It's determined by how effectively people adapt to, and amplify its capabilities. This isn't just about implementing AI. It's about reimagining the way work gets done. So here's my challenge to you. Stop thinking of AI as a tech project. Start seeing it as the most significant organizational transformation of our time. The companies that embrace this mindset will gain lasting competitive advantages. Those that don't, they'll become cautionary tales. AI is going to transform your organization. It's inevitable. The real question is whether you'll lead that transformation or be disrupted by it. As change management professionals, we have the tools, frameworks, and expertise to ensure our organizations don't just survive this shift, they thrive in it. The future of work is being written right now. Let's make sure we're the ones holding the pen.